So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, mag-quick unboxing lang tayo ng isang bag from Decathlon. This is the Quechua. How do you pronounce this? Quechua? Quechua bag, or this is their 10-liter mini backpack for hiking. Yes guys, this is for hiking and I found it very cute. May ibang colors to, pero pinili ko to kasi para may iba naman. Yung ano kasi is like a navy blue, then yung itong outline niya, yung zipper is like brown ng konti. So this is purple, pero yeah, purple siya. Yan. Kaya ko to binili kasi mini lang and very magian. Tapos yun nga, pang ano lang, pang school, tamang pang school. Pwede pong pang bata, pwedeng pang unisex. Unisex naman siya. So, okay, no further ado, let's go for the design. So, for me, the design is simple lang. Very simple lang. Ayan. It's like an oval shape. Oval shape siya. Ayan. And the linings are good also kasi yung color niya, it's like bending. Hindi siya too much power. Ito lang. Of course, yung sa zipper. Maganda yung zipper niya ha. Makapal siya guys. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, meron po dito isa pang pocket. Ayan. So, mainly, dalawa lang yung zipper. Ditong part and itong part. So, let's open this main part. Ayan. Ganito lang po siya. Walang eme-eme, walang zipper dito or what. But, the good thing about this is padded. Padded po siya guys. Hindi lang siya basta-basta clothing or polyester. And, of course, this one, ayan. Ganyan po yung design niya. And again, for me, this is so cute kasi maliit lang and very handy. Pwede mo siyang itupi. Isama nyo sa travel bag nyo para in case na you want to travel, diba? Na gusto yung maliit na bag, you can have this one. And of course, for the price, this is only 250 pesos. Binili ko sa online. And free shipping, kaya nakuha ko 250. Pero syempre, pag hindi siya free shipping, magdadagdag kayo ng shipping fee. Pero ayan, may resibo pa yung Decathlon, from Decathlon talaga. So, hindi kayo mafi-fake. Also guys, this is made from 100% polyester. Ayan. Guys, wag po tayo magpa-fake ha. Ito, may mga tags po sa loob. So, it is main fabric is 100% polyester. Lining is 100% polyester. Webbing is polypropylene. I'm not, hindi po ako, dyan. Coating is 100% polyurethane. Ayan. So, in short, made from durable materials. Yes, guys. Kasi ang polyester ay matibay pong uri ng cloth. So, ayan. Ganda, guys. From ayan. Cut na ito. So, syempre, ito try natin. Wait lang, guys. Bago ko makalimutan, it is 10 liters. Ayan, guys. Nakalagay na po. 10 liters. So, iwasan din po natin paglagay po ng too much items. Tansya-tansya na lang na 10 liters or as much as possible, you can put only your valuable things. Ayan. Pwedeng isang shirt, ganyan. Of course, the water. Kailangan natin ng water. Ayan. And I think matibay naman siya. And of course, again, gagamitin natin siya pero may ilalagay din ng mga items. Wait lang guys. So ayan, nandito, meron akong wallet. May tumbler. Wala siyang laman pero tignan natin. Of course, may book. Let's try. Nalagay yung book. Ay, carry lang. Pasok naman guys. Of course, our wallet. Dapat sa main compartment ng wallet kasi pera siya. Kaya niya. Nabigat yung coin purse ko eh. Puro barya niya. So, ang ganda guys. Sige, wait lang. Ito na, susutin na natin. So overall guys, I can rate this 9 out of 10 kasi I have also my Xiaomi bag. Meron dito akong Xiaomi bag guys na ganito kalit, pero ito nga, tinry ko tong Quechua, ewan ko kung parang pabasahin. Kasi nga guys, bukod sa affordable, from Decathlon siya. And Decathlon is famous sa mga durable items and of course, yung mga pang sports needs natin. So, hindi naman po to, hindi naman po to bayad na advertisement. Wala naman pong advertisement dito, etc. Hindi po to sponsors. Pero, I believe Decathlon is a good products. So, yun lang guys. Bye!